Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Nivison, back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing the song Lucky Star by Thicke. It's from his upcoming album. You guys should really check that out. It's worth a listen and it's amazing so far. The songs that I've heard from the album are really dope. Okay, so we're going to be playing this in the key of D major using basic chords. So just make sure your guitar is centered chinning, and we're playing the following chords. Okay, so the first chord here is a D major. And how we're playing this is we're plucking strings 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's all 4 and then you pluck the first string. Okay, so all 4 and then 1, all 4, 1. So 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. Okay, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. And I'm plucking the 4th string with my 4th finger, my ring finger. And then you go to an A and play that twice. And the strings that you're plucking are 5, 4, 3, 2. So that's right twice. 1, 2. And then we go to a D7 over B minor, which is 0, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0. And if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. It is a detailed illustration of the chords. I will put it in my description. Okay, so this chord is basically an open way of playing the B minor. So if you want, you can use the B minor instead. B minor is basically A minor in frets 3 and 4, and then you bar fret number 2. Okay, so then we go to, so we have D, and the strumming pattern here, the plucking pattern here is the same as from D. 4, 1, 4, 1, 1 in this case being the 2nd string. So we're playing 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, and then we go to A and then D. Okay, so that's A, D, A, D. A is still 5, 4, 3, 2, D is still 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we go to G. Okay, so for G we're playing string 6, 4, 3, 2. And how we're gonna play those is, let me just listen so that I make sure I'm giving you guys the right chords and the right ways to play them. Okay, so we have, alright, so that's G, and we're hammering onto the 3rd fret of string number 2. So we have open, hammer, open, open, hammer, and then we come to A. But this time on A, instead of using the 5th string as our bass, we're going to use the 6th string as our bass, and we're going to hold it on fret number 2. Okay, so now you have 2, 0, 2, 2, 0. And we're just plucking strings 6, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so we have G. And then we come to A. So that's, okay, so open, hammer on, which is, and I'm plucking it twice each. So twice open, twice closed, twice hammered onto 3rd fret, sorry. And then you come to A. And then from there, okay, so from here it's just, okay, so this is 1, 2 on the A, and then you slide to 3rd fret, and then you go to 1st string open, and then we're already on D. So that's the, right? Sorry. Alright, so now let's play the song while we're listening to it so that we know we have the whole rhythm and all the chords are there. Oopsie. Sorry. I keep missing that part. So we have a D, and then A to B7, D7, A, G, alright, so there's a part that we missed. We go to so we have G, and then we go to A, and then we slide A to have from fret 2 of second string to 3. So we have, sorry, and then we have and then we do that again. Okay, so we have G, and then we go to that A, and then we go back to G again, and then we come to the actual A now where we're playing 5, 4, 3, 2, and then we slide. So this A is the one that we're sliding. So D, and then we go to A, and then D7, B7, and then A, D, G, and then we slide to A. Sorry. Slide to A. And then again. And then D into A. B7, A, D, G, and then A, slide, again, G, A, and then Lucky Star. It's an amazing song. I do not know how to sing it and play it at the same time, but yes, those are your chords. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video.